Welcome to our YouTube channel, and to our subscribers, welcome back. In this video, we're breaking down the shipping container home building permit process. You'll learn about the hidden obstacles most people don't see coming, pro tips based on real builds, and a practical checklist to help you stay ahead of the curve. If you're planning to build a container home, don't skip this. Step 1. Research local zoning laws. Start here. Don't assume you can build a shipping container home just because you own the land. In some areas, container homes aren't allowed at all. In others, minimum square footage requirements mean you'll have to combine more containers than you originally planned. Or maybe your area has design or aesthetic restrictions like exterior cladding requirements. Buying land without first checking zoning is a major cost risk. We've seen clients pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for land only to find out they can't build what they wanted there. Always check zoning before purchasing land. Talk to your real estate agent, contact the county planning department, or search online for your county or city, followed by zoning map. Step 2. Talk to the building department. Once zoning clears, go straight to the building department. Most building departments want to know two things. Is this going to be a safe structure? And does it meet the state and local codes? First, ask if they've permitted container homes before. If not, they may direct you to a different department. Otherwise, ask them what's required for a building permit. This is key. Every jurisdiction is different. Some counties or cities require everything from floor plans to electrical schematics. Others are more lenient. Finding out early what documentation is required will save you time and money. Next, find out who reviews your plans. Is it a contractor, an engineer? Knowing who you'll work with helps you determine which expert to hire for your project. Finally, ask how long the review process typically takes. This depends on your area, but plans for a small container home might take 2 to 4 months to approve. Factor extra time into your timeline just in case. Before you move forward, note that some jurisdictions treat containers like manufactured housing. Others apply standard residential codes. Either way, your home must still meet all state and local codes. But applying for a permit as a manufactured home could save you money and time, since you won't have to meet every residential code requirement. On your call with the building department, ask about permitting manufactured homes in your area. And if so, ask for the relevant codes and standards. That way you can ensure your home meets them from the start. Cost risk. Unexpected code requirements can force redesigns, costing you weeks and extra professional fees. Step 3. Hire a design team that knows container builds. At this point, you should have a good idea of what you need to permit your container home. Next, hire an architect or designer familiar with container structures. You'll also need a structural engineer. Most codes require stamped drawings. Depending on your area, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, MEP plans may also be mandatory, and if you have a general contractor, they might be able to help with some of these steps. They might have preferred architects, designers, and engineers they can recommend. Or maybe you have a friend who's built a container home. Ask them who they used for their project. But remember, choosing experts who are new to container builds can cause problems further down the line. Budget tip. Bundling design and engineering services often costs less than hiring each separately. Cost risk. Hiring someone unfamiliar with container codes can lead to rejected plans, higher revision fees, and resubmission delays. Step 4. Prepare a site plan. Your site plan shows exactly how your home fits on the lot. It must be stamped by a licensed professional engineer or surveyor. Include setbacks, grading and drainage, utility connections, driveway or access roads, septic or sewer layout, well locations, vegetation, and other important features. If you're in a wildfire, flood, or coastal zone, expect extra permitting steps. Cost risk. Incomplete site plans are a top reason permits are rejected. Redoing them means paying your team again. Step 5. Complete engineering and construction drawings. Your engineering drawings must also be stamped by licensed professionals. They include foundation design, structural framing and load specs, electrical and plumbing layout, HVAC plan, insulation, and energy compliance. Plus, many areas require you to have a survey showing the exact location of your home on the property. Cost? Full design and engineering plans can run $5,000, $15,000, depending on the complexity and location, and some engineers unfamiliar with container projects may over-engineer, leading to higher build cost. Step 6. Submit your permit application. It's time to pull together all your ducks. Prepare a full application package, including the application form, site plan, stamped drawings, energy forms, septic approval, if needed, and payment for planned review fees. Some departments allow you to submit plans online. Others still require physical copies. Check with your local building department to find out. Cost. Permit fees vary. For a small container home, expect anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 up front. In cities, it can be more. Time tip. Reviewers often prioritize complete, well-organized applications. Step 7. Respond to plan review comments. This is where most timelines go off track. Expect one or more rounds of comments from reviewers, answer questions quickly, and submit revised documents as needed. Stay available. Ghosting the review process causes delays. Every jurisdiction is different. Some send comments back to your design team. Others ask you to fix the issues and resubmit the whole application. Either way, plan for at least one round of corrections. In fact, budget $500 to $1,000 per round of corrections. More rounds means more time and more money. Step 8. Get your building permit. Once approved, you'll get the permit and any conditions attached. These might include erosion control, fire access, or landscaping requirements. Pro tip: print and keep copies on site. Inspectors will ask to see them. Step 9. Schedule and pass inspections. Before you can move in, you must pass all required inspections. The most common ones include foundation, framing, rough plumbing and electrical, insulation, and final walkthrough. Don't skip or delay inspections. Failing one can halt your build until the issue is resolved. Cost risk. Re-inspections can cost $100 to $500 depending on the jurisdiction. Build delays can add thousands in labor and holding costs. Step 10. Get final approval and certificate of occupancy. Once all inspections pass, the final step is the certificate of occupancy. Only then can you legally move in or rent out the space. And bonus, getting the certificate of occupancy can also help with financing or insurance. Some lenders won't fund your project without it. Now let's recap the permit process. 1. Research zoning laws. 2. Contact the building department. 3. Hire qualified professionals. 4. Draft your site plan. 5. Complete stamped construction drawings. 6. Submit your application. 7. Respond to comments. 8. Get your permit. 9. Pass your inspections. 10. Receive your occupancy certificate. If you'd like more detail, download our free container home permit checklist. It walks you through every step: what to ask, what to submit, when to follow up, and how to prep for inspections. Find the link in the description and download your copy now. Also, if you're ready to take your project to the next level, check out our building guide, How to Build a Shipping Container Home. This guidebook is the most comprehensive on the market, with over 300+ pages divided into 14 detailed chapters filled with practical advice, pro tips, and step-by-step instructions. The book is available as an audiobook, ebook, and paperback. The book breaks down every step from planning to sourcing of containers to financing, utilities, insulation, condensation, and post-build improvements. In addition, the book includes a free house plan of our most popular design and a real-life case study of a gateway in the Caribbean. This guide is what most builders wish they had before they started. Find the link in the description and grab your copy now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more container house tours, guidebooks, house designs, and expert container home advice. Let's build smarter and get permitted the first time. See you next time. Bye.